Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing the Cetaphil Daily Facial Moisturizer for the AM, SPF 35, protects you against broad spectrum UVA and UVB, so very important. Check out the packaging, active ingredients. Cool. Says new look. Check it out. I've unboxed these in the past, but all these unboxing videos I have show the history. It's nice to see how the packaging is changing, if there's shrinkflation going on, all that stuff. So nice making these videos for you all. Check it out. Wow. Nice packaging. 3 ounces still. Looks pretty much the same. Yeah, looks pretty much the same. So yep, let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below. I will drop a link in the video description on where you guys can get this from. And hope you're all doing well. Catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.